Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, once again sharing with you our newest brand new stock. Today is the turn of this sporty looking Range Rover Sport, available here in this bright white colour with a contrasting black roof rail as well as contrasting black alloy wheels with red brake calipers that really complement the sporty credentials of this model. In the front, you can enjoy the benefit of LED pixel headlights with signature shaped daytime running lights, whilst around the side these gloss black alloy wheels really stand out. In the rear, the story is no different with full LED taillights featuring this sequential look, and for extra convenience there is keyless entry and start with a power operated tailgate revealing a modern practical load area with 40-20-40 folding split seats. The real treat, however, is inside with this lovely ruby red part leather upholstery with black contrast, offering seating for 3 with 2 ISOFIX child anchor points and even their very own 2-zone climate control. In the front, the decorative door and dash inserts will grace the cabin, with upgraded front seats that offer additional comforts, and that sliding panoramic roof will come in handy during the summer months. The driver will certainly be happy with this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which is heated for added coziness. It operates the IDD interactive driver display up ahead, and this car even benefits from HUD head-up display functionality. In the center, 13-inch PV Pro connected services come packed full of clever features, such as built-in satellite navigation to ensure you never get lost. 2-zone climate is also available in the front with both heated and cooled seats that are easier to operate when on the move, but also you can enjoy bespoke drive mode selection thanks to the more than capable 4-wheel drive system. For the music fans amongst you, there is DAB digital radio reception to find your favorite stations, and the submenu will also offer more controls for the heated and cooled seats, along with a 5-stage massage functionality. For added connectivity, you'll be pleased to know the car also benefits from wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as a number of active safety systems to protect you and your occupants at all times. To help you park, there's a massive 3D surround parking camera system on offer, giving you visibility all around the vehicle. Overhead, you also find a digital rearview mirror with auto-dimming functionality and easy controls to operate the sliding glass roof, as well as the electric sunshade blind for the summer months.